Hello folks, Jose with Homeboats and Travel, bringing you another boat walkthrough, this time of a beautiful 2001 Hunter 380. Alright folks, that concludes our walkthrough of this beautiful Hunter 380. For additional information, please click on the link below. If you like these videos and these walkthroughs, please subscribe to our channel, Homeboats and Travel by Jose Torres, on YouTube. And if you're interested in this boat, it is available for sale, list price $95,000, available for sale at Massey Yacht Sale. My contact information below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next walkthrough.